back to yet another video. My name is Mami Abna. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to do this trendy hairstyle. I'll insert a picture here for you guys to see. In this video, I'm not going to use weave on like I see people do. I'm just going to crochet and then do the cornrows in front, like the tribal cornrow. Fingers crossed they're going to turn out really nice because I have huge expectations for this particular hairstyle. So with me here, I have my braiding hair, and today I'm going to use the Darling braiding hair. This is their Obasima double. But if you don't have the Darling, you can use Expression, you can use Outre, or any other braiding hair that can be dipped in hot water. So it says here, hot water set. Whenever you're buying braiding hair, make sure that you see this here, hot water set. I'll be using some rubber band as well, my crochet pin and my rattle comb, some hair clips, scissors, and I'll use some edge control at the end of the tutorial. I'll also be adding these accessories as well. That's it. Without further much ado, let's hop into the video. From the pack. As I said, I love this hair. One thing I like about this hair is it's already pre-stretched, so I don't have to stretch it, which saves time. I'm going to take one part out and I'm going to brush this hair through to get all this flyaways from it. Apply hair pomade to make it smooth, then we can start using the hair to braid. This hair is in color 1 and it's 50 inches long. If you want it longer, you can buy the Obasima Max, that is 86 inches, or Obasima Max in 100 inches. That's pretty long. Just apply my pomade on the hair. And that's it. You can start braiding with the hair. This tiny container with me here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place or pour my rubber bands in this, and I'm going to soak it with baby oil. If you have any hair oil you can use. I have my baby oil in this. I'm just going to spray some on it. I think that is enough. This is finally done, so I can start using it. At this point, I don't think I'm going to talk throughout the video. I just want you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. So whatever I'm doing, just pay attention to it, and that's it. You will learn so much. You will learn so much. And oh, if you find this video helpful, please do me the favor to like this video and share it to someone who might also find this helpful. Alright guys, so now that I have my sections done, I have this side and that side, and as you may see here, I didn't do my patterns in the middle. I did it like slanted because that is how I've been seeing people do it, so I decided to do it this way, and I think it looks cute. And the rest of the hair here, I'm just going to braid them all back, and that is where we are going to be doing our crochet, and then this side is where we're going to be doing our cornrow. The crochet cornrows doesn't have to look perfect because you are going to crochet hair and it's going to cover all the messiness. So If you can't braid cornrows perfectly, don't worry, don't bother, don't stress. Don't stress.
Like this, make it pop like this, make it not